Alan Wolf's early interest in filmmaking led him to study film at New York University, where his senior thesis film won several awards and was a finalist for the Student Academy Awards. His debut feature film was the psychological thriller In My Sleep. It premiered in Hollywood, was distributed to over 70 countries, won multiple festival awards, played in theaters across the U.S., was featured in Redbox, premiered on Showtime, and is now on iTunes.
Alan is the type of guy that you can just come to with a problem on set, or with a character, or with just anything. If something is affecting your character that's in your life, you can talk to him about it. He's so dedicated. He's so trusting.
He's probably one of the most ambitious men I ever met. He really is.
Alan's next film is Hooked. The story is about Sean, a hopelessly romantic autistic man who falls desperately in love with his perfect woman, not realizing she's a prostitute. Hooked is a unique romantic story that takes place in Seattle. It shows how two misfits learn to care for each other while fighting against incredible odds. Hooked is based on Alan's novel that won multiple awards, including a Book of the Year award. The screenplay for Hooked has won 10 awards.
I really appreciate this award. My hope is that the film is entertaining and funny and also shows people how to have an impact on an important issue that's facing our world today.
Alan's goal as a filmmaker is to make films that entertain and have a positive impact. Hooked will be comedic and dramatic and will also raise awareness about human trafficking, which is the fastest growing criminal enterprise of today. The film production is partnering with anti-human trafficking organizations to support their important work throughout the making of the film. Alan's unique styling of comedy and drama will come to life in Hooked.